Hello everyone, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of grey dots on the application of DuckDuckGo. You will click on settings. In this page we go to apps, default apps, app settings. On above you will search about DuckDuckGo and you will click. Here in this page of app info you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Then you will enter to the window of storage. Here you will click on clear cache, but pay attention, don't click clear data because that can delete your account. Here you will go to Play Store. You will search about the application of DuckDuckGo. Then you can uninstall your app and you can install it again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.